working in one of the MNC. So I'm very much familiar in working with different domains like banking, healthcare, ERP, insurance, etc. So currently I have created architect level as well. So just I would like to introduce yourself, like just your name, whether you're working in any company or a student, whether you know Mulesoft or not. So anyone you can start the session. So we can go in a sequential order. Radha, you can start your introduction.
Yeah, myself Radha Raman, and I'm working, and actually I'm working. My knowledge is in TIPCO, and I'm working at TIPCO for I think 20 years. But now I want to update in Mulesoft, and that's the way I know Mulesoft. That now Mulesoft is a competitor of TIPCO, so I want to know Mulesoft. That's all from my side.
Sure, good to hear, Radha. Welcome to Mulesoft. We are here to assist you. Thank you so much for your introduction. So, Jahan, can you start with your introduction?
Yeah, hi, myself, Mohammed Jahan. Actually, my background was electrical engineering. My graduation was completed in 2010. Since from that period, I have been in construction field. Currently, I'm working as a site engineer in construction field. So now I'm looking to change to move to software field, and I'm new to the MuleSoft.
No worries, Jahan. So it's a good decision. So it doesn't matter whether we are working in a different domain. Yes, everything has a solution because all the persons who are working in IT industry is, it directly didn't came from the BTech. Yes, we have a gap, but no need to worry on that. We will take care of your these thing. So welcome to MuleSoft, Jahan. So yes, Srilakshmi, can you introduce yourself?
Hello. Yeah, I'm currently working as a working in persistent systems, and I have 6 years of experience in TIPCO, and I want to learn MuleSoft also. It is the upgraded version of not upgraded. It is similar to TIPCO, so I want to learn, and it is a trending now. Hello.
Yeah. So yeah, Santosh, can you introduce yourself? Sorry, Santosh. Yeah.
This is Santosh. I am housewife. I don't know about Mulesoft. Now I have to learn Mulesoft.
Yeah, good to hear, Santoshi. Welcome to MuleSoft. Yeah, Kumar, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, this is Vishnu. I'm a Mulesoft developer. Currently, I'm in my notice period. Has been completed.
Oh, okay, Kumar, good to hear. I think you have a good background in the MuleSoft coming to the compared to the batch. Yeah, welcome to MuleSoft, but no need to worry. This is a platform where you can able to get the real-time experience with the different scenarios as well as the different techniques to learn the data view, minutes, all this stuff. So yeah, good to hear. So let's begin with the session.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no worries. So first, I would like to explain the basic example. So how MuleSoft is playing a crucial role irrespective of any coding language. Okay. So MuleSoft is a middleware integration layer where it will integrate the different languages. This is the theory. Everyone can teach the same theory, but we are here to learn somewhat new and different compared with the YouTube channels and other institutes, right? So first what I will do is first I will explain some basic example to you. Once you can able to understand that example, I will correlate with the real-time projects. Okay. So let me share my screen and I will take some basic example. And please let me know once you are able to see my screen.
Yeah,
I
it's
can see
visible.
the screen.
Sure. So here I would like to take two persons as an example here. So for example, I'm taking Radha and Jahan. Okay. So currently the condition is Radha would like to convey something to Jahan, but here the condition or else we can say from troubleshoot or we say any problem, there is a language constraint. I mean, Radha is trying to convey a message like "Hello, how are you?" But the thing is, Radha can only convey in the English, but where Jan can understand only in the Spanish language. So definitely, whatever Radha is trying to convey some message, right? Jahan cannot understand due to some language constraint. I mean, don't accept or don't think it's kind of a mule. I mean, just it's kind of an integration tool, not only mules. Any integration tool, the main motive is just integrating with different technologies. Okay, so I will explain a basic example. If you can correlate or if you can understand that example, right, you can correlate with the real time scenario. So the condition is just Radha trying to convey some message to Jahan, but Radha can understand only English, where Jahan can understand only Spanish. Definitely, there is a miss, right here, where we need to have some translator. If you can see the basic example, I will explain the diagrammatic part. You can
Person
see
was
the first
speaking.
person.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, Aman. You have any doubts?
No, no, no. It was silent, so I thought that maybe some problem with speaker.
No,
Okay.
no, not like that. Just drawing the message. So where my approach is whether we speak, right? I mean, whether whatever we are speaking in, if we are explaining the diagrammatic part, will be very easy to understand. Okay.
Okay.
So currently, you can see the for diagram like Radha. I mean, you are a person where you are trying to convey a message. Hello, how are you in English? But the thing is, the opponent person can understand only in the Spanish. So if you are communicating that person, definitely opponent cannot understand. In between, there should be some translator, or we can say it's like a mediator. In technical terminology, we will call it as a medium layer or integration layer. So if we can find out the solution right here, in between you and Han, there is a mediator, or we can say translator. In the technical terminology, we will call it as an integration layer or middleware layer. Coming to technical terminology, we will call it as an integration layer or middleware layer. In general terminology, we will call it as a translator or mediator. Here we can see. So the main purpose of the integration layer or middleware layer, it will take the or it will receive the content from the person. I in this example from Radha. Hello, in English. What the same in Spanish. Where Jahan can understand here. So in this way, it will make very simple in order to provide the solution. So it's kind of a generalized example. So try to understand exactly what integration layer is doing here. So if we understand the overall synopsis, or we can say significance of the integration layer, we can correlate with the real-time example. Spanish. So here it is sending the message which will be received from the Radha to Jehan by converting it from English to Spanish. And whatever the response Jehan is sending, right, it will directly not read to Radha. In between, translator will be there. It will take the Spanish language and it will convert to the English here. So I mean, it's not kind of a MuleSoft, but the thing is, right, what exactly the integration layer will do. This is what the significance here. So just I will take a pause. So any doubt on generalized example, or I mean Jehan, Sri Lakshmi, Santoshi, Kumar.
Yeah, these dots you carry on. No.
Sure. What about others like Sri Lakshmi, Santoshi, Kumar, or the?
Yes, yes, you can go on.
Okay, sure. So thank you. So now I will correlate with the real-time example. If you can see, nowadays real-time example in the sense we have a number of applications, not only in banking, healthcare, insurance, ERP, anything. MuleSoft is playing a crucial role. That will explain in the coming session. I mean, coming session in the sense after the example, why exactly the MuleSoft is playing a major role while comparing to other tools. So if you can see the real-time example, I am very much interested in doing the shopping. So shopping, either we can do it in a two ways. Whether we can go to visit the direct shopping, and physically we can appear in the shop and we can buy it. Or else nowadays e-commerce will be there. I mean online shopping. So currently the deal is happening the discount, right? So currently we can go flip. If we can see the big billion day sale, there are n number of items where you can able to purchase based on your choice. So currently I would like to purchase iPhone. So currently what I am doing, just searching in an search bar for iPhone 15 Pro. This is the latest one, right? So whenever you are searching for iPhone 15 Pro, there are some list which are displayed here with the different prices along with the different specifications. Up to here, even second class person also know what exactly we need to do if you want to buy any iPhone 15 or any iPhone 14 or any other thing in the Flipkart. But as a developer, or is it, or we can say, or as a techie, or we can say integration developer, we need to understand one more step beyond. I mean, so how come it is possible whenever we are opening a website and we are searching the iPhone 15, it is getting displayed with the relevant data. So how exactly the backend operation is happening? This is what we need to understand here. Because it is simple if you are doing any shopping here, right? Directly it is getting displayed. But in the backend, what exactly it is happening, we need to understand. Because in the coming days, you may be an, or definitely you will be an MuleSoft developer, right? So you need to understand the secret behind that. So this is happening because of MuleSoft along with the front technologies as well as program technologies are not at all giving any or false commitment like because of only MuleSoft it is happening. Yes, MuleSoft is also a part of doing this type of projects. For example, just correlate with this one only. Here, instead of the in person, rather he is trying to buy an iPhone 15. Okay, so what I will do is just I will open the new one. Here Radha is trying to buy an iPhone 15. but in the technical terminology, what we'll call as it is an client or end user customer. We will call it. Okay. Currently, Radha is an end user, or we can say client. You would like to buy an iPhone 15. What he has done exactly? Just he has logged into the Amazon website. Okay. So what exactly he has done? He has just logged into the Amazon website, and after that, just he is searching for the iPhone 15 here. Nothing else he have done. Searching for iPhone 15 Pro. Simple, right? Up to here, we are here. Even 4 class person also can do this activity. But as a developers, or we can say integration developers, we need to understand what exactly the backend is happening. So here, once the request is received to the Amazon website or Flipkart or any other thing, right? What exactly these things will do? These pages will be built upon the front languages. Okay, it may be an Angular, it may be on JavaScript, Node.js, React.js, anything. It doesn't matter, and we should not bother about that one. And to be frank, we are not at all responsible to take care of the front-end languages. After what we need to do, or what exactly the thing is happening. This Amazon sets what it will do means it will send request to the Mulesoft layer. Okay, so these requests will be sending to the Mulesoft layer, and this Mulesoft layer is really responsible to read the data from the source system. Okay, so here you need to habituate one more terminology, that is source and target, because in the interviewer, whenever you are asking or whenever you attend the interview, right, definitely after your introduction, they will ask what is your source system and target system. So how to identify the source and target? Simple. Whenever you are receiving some data, right, that system is nothing but an source system. Similarly, whenever you're sending some data, right, to the other systems, that is nothing but an target system. So currently the source system is here Amazon, right? Amazon. But currently I'm using Flipkart, but doesn't matter. Okay, these are all comes under the e-commerce site only. But need to remember one thing: whenever we are receiving some data blindly, it is an source system. Similarly, whenever you're sending some data, right, it is nothing but a target system. Okay. As a MuleSoft developer, we need to take care of these three things. Meaning, you need to read the data, read the data from source system. Second thing, send the data to target system. Finally, need to handle the errors. Okay. So currently what we have done, we have read the data from the source system. The source system is Amazon. The data is iPhone 15 Pro. So based on the data, as a MuleSoft developer, we should identify the target system. So if we can see the data, the target system is currently Apple, because the data is related to Apple. It doesn't related to any Samsung, LG, OnePlus, nothing, right? So as a developer, we need to take care of these three things as in common. So here we need to identify the target system. The target system is Apple. So similarly, what we need to do is we need to share this data to the target system. Simple. So based on the data we provide to the target system, right, it will give you some response to us. Was in a sense Mulesoft. iPhone. What data we have sent it to the target system? We have sent the data as iPhone 15. So based on iPhone 15 Pro, it will send the related data back as a response, like with the different specifications, different colors, available date, as well as the available price. So once MuleSoft will receive the response, it will send back to the Amazon website. These Amazon website finally it will send it to the end user. So this is what happening in the background. Okay, it is kind of a example related to the MuleSoft I am telling. So just I will take a pause here. So any doubts, please feel free to ask me. We are here to assist you. So I will take pause 1 to 2 minutes. So if you are okay, just I can go for business perspective opportunities in the MuleSoft, like Radha Jahan or Sri Lakshmi, Santoshi Kumar, Vichendran, Mayur. Any doubts, please feel free to ask us.
Yeah, actually, you mentioned a destination. Means what I'm asking is, the destination is data source, or if it is data source, then what would it be? Is it SQL or
Yeah.
database?
So
Anything?
yeah, it's a good question, Jahan. Thanks for asking in the form. So yeah, if it is a data source, it may be an MySQL, Oracle, Amazon database, or we can say DynamoDB. We have a number of data sources which will be part of saving the data or performing some cloud operations like retrieving all these things. So not in a website, yes, I can agree. If you're getting a data source, we can treat based on the client, it will clearly tell you the, I mean, will confirm in the document. So this is the target system, like different databases will be available in the market. If the data is an you need to use the Oracle database, and we need to treat the Oracle database as a target system. Hope it will suffice this doubt, Jahan.
Okay.
Yeah. What about others? Kumar or Sri Lakshmi, Santoshi, Ravi, Mayur?
I, whatever you told before, right? I flow is it looks like it is similar to cone, right?
Yeah, all these things comes under integration background, Sri Lakshmi. To be honest, if you know the TIPCO, right, it will be very easy to learn MuleSoft. I mean, it is very easy to grasp the MuleSoft knowledge. Yeah, these all come under the same kind of TIPCO only, but the approach will be different. Correct. The approach will be different here. Yeah.
Here also we will have palettes like that.
Yes. If you can see this one, right, this is a Anypoint Studio. Here we can able to see the search in palette. It's kind of a software. I would like to explain the coming section. So here only we will do the development. You can see the right side we have palettes. Here we can able to take the components required. For example, Jahan has the data source. If you can type the database, you can database data here.
DB.
No. SQL is like a query. Sometimes it will load. It will take some time to load, or like we can take it from this thing. Yeah, if you can see this, it will take some time to load the. We have database like different
It
options
takes
where
time
we
to
can
load.
have. Yeah, that's correct. So it's kind of a data source where just we need to drag and drop. To be honest, we have a coding of 10% and 90% just integration. But no need to worry about the coding that we are taking care on explaining these things. So yeah, any doubt selection easy fine.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I think everyone this example. So let's move on to the next. Coming to the business perspective. So just as a trainer, I'm not giving some extra background to MuleSoft. Generally, a normal person, I'm asking the question to you only. I mean, in this, so you have a different integration layers like Tipco, Delboomi, I can say SnapLogic, all these things. Why only MuleSoft nowadays is a trending technology? So this question is having everyone's mind. So just I want to clarify this point. Okay, I will ask some basic question to you. Hope everyone knows about the animals, right? So what is the main advantage of horse? Anyone can answer?
For riding, and it will ride
Yeah,
fast.
correct. Fast, right? So whatever the advantage of donkey
Carry weights.
is exactly. So can I expect the both the things in one animal? I need to carry more weight with more faster. Is it possible?
It's possible.
Yeah, it is possible. We have an animal called, yeah, just I will explain you. We have an animal called mule, so which is a crossbreed of
Mule
donkey.
horse. Right?
Yeah, I mean
It
the
is
animal name
breed.
itself is correct. Crossbreed of animal, sorry, a donkey as well as horse, where it will carry the more weight like a donkey, where it will run like a horse. Okay, so in order to capture or we can say take this feature, they have given a name convention of mule. So coming to technology, it will accept the larger data when we compare to the TIPCO, SnapLogic, Delbumi. I am not telling TIPCO, Delbumi will not accept the larger data. Yes, they will also accept. But the thing is, whenever we are processing the data, right, in the MuleSoft, it will take very less time. So that is beauty of MuleSoft. That's the reason nowadays MuleSoft is a trending technology. And one more thing, the software is all very open source. It is free to download. Anypoint Studio, all these things. And coming to the opportunities, MuleSoft, I'm not sure about the exact year. Hopefully, it was introduced in the 2006 or 2005 around. So after that, due to this trending, the sales was acquired in the 2016. Later on, every market or every other business is looking to the MuleSoft. What exactly is there in the background, and they're trying to invest the amount, or they're trying to choose MuleSoft as an integration layer in the upcoming projects, and even in legacy systems also. I think 20 to 25 years banking applications of Bank of America and all these things are slowly moving to the MuleSoft. At that time, they have involved the Java technologies due to some heavy maintenance on security reasons. They are trying to move to the MuleSoft. So that is the reason. Recently, one of my organization also we got an opportunity to work the migration projects, and the duration will be almost 4 years. So that is the beauty of MuleSoft nowadays. So we have a number of opportunities. So no need to worry on this. Coming 5 to 7 years, there is no other alternative. And also MuleSoft is integrating with the RPA as well, like robotics. So there are some discussions happening in the background. Hopefully, if everything goes well in the coming year, the RPA will also be part of the MuleSoft. At that time, I can bet there are no other integration tools where we can replace the MuleSoft.
What is you said? What is that? RPA
RPA, robotics.
robotics.
Yeah.
Okay. What is what it does?
I mean, robotics, it's kind of RPA is kind of a platform technology, okay, where they are integrating, I mean, they are emerging the MuleSoft. I mean, for example, in our understanding language, for example, WhatsApp is an individual tool 5 years back. After that, Facebook acquired that WhatsApp, right? They are coming to integrate. I mean, they are traveling within one platform nowadays. They are not a separate thing, right? Radha?
Yeah,
Similarly,
Facebook and
RPA also
WhatsApp similar.
correct, correct.
Okay.
Similarly, there are some extra. I mean, the thing is, every time we get some updates, right? It will not at all same whenever you using the WhatsApp 5 years back. Now it is completely different. They are getting some updates. Similarly, due to the growth or due to the coming market, the RPA is a technology where it will use the human effort in the sense, human effort in the sense, if you want to write the hello world program in the Java, it will take 5 lines. But coming to this thing, right, whenever you want to write in Mulesoft, it will take only 1 line. So like this, we are reducing the human efforts. I mean, if we are making some simple, not to make a complexity, in order to get them more projects and more reliable. Okay. Yeah. Coming to this thing. Yeah. So whenever you are starting your career as a MuleSoft developer, right? We can able to see the 3 types of certifications. After that, whenever you're moving to architect level, we have a 2 level of certifications, but it is not a mandatory. But the thing is, if you are really do this certification, it will be an added advantage to you. But it is not at all mandatory to write your certification. But if you're done with the certification, right, definitely, whenever you're trying to write the interviews or after interview also, you have some weightage. So it's the initial career, 0 to 5 years. If you're in a developer stage, the responsibilities are just to develop the code and designing the APIs and deploying. Whenever you move to the architect level, here also we have different types of architects, solution architect and platform architect. So the main role of solution architect is to take care of the design with the minimal coding with the maximum reusability. Coming to the platform architect, where he is responsible to allocate the space in order to deploy the applications on which environment we need to choose, whether we can go with Amazon or SaaS based things. So these are the things we need to take care whenever we move to the architect. So architect we move up to after 8 years, but initially we are in a stage to get in the developer. So just we need to do these 5 activities. So we can see, don't worry about all these things. Whenever we start this application, I mean classes, right? I will share all these examples along with the diagrams, I mean examples. So for your understanding only, I'm showcasing these to you. Okay, these are all the part of the course only. No need to worry. Here you can see the highlighted diagram, right? So how the flow is, I mean exactly it is flowing from one uh, component to another component. Each and everything have highlighted here. So if you can observe this diagram, as a developer, first we need to design the API. Once the design got approved, we need to do the development. Once the development is done, we need to do the testing. So without testing, we cannot hand over to the client, right? After we need to deploy. So these are the common things, not only in the MuleSoft. If you do the any software code, these are common things. For example, if you want to construct this building, right? If you have a land and money, it doesn't matter. First, you need to do a blueprint. Meaning, you need to design your building in how many square feet you need to build the bedroom and how many square feet you need to build the hall, everything. So once it is finalized, then only you can able to construct your building. So these are the things we need to take care whenever you need to do the software field. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts till now? Team?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you explain the scenarios which was working right now in the real environment case, real project cases.
Yes, yes, exactly. I mean, I will take the, for example, if you're working for any error handling, so I will explain the common error handling as part of reusable in the real time. I can go with the individual flow level, which is the non-reusable thing in the project. Then we can go for the application level. These things we can able to explain. And also, not only the error handling, for example, we can go for a different concepts like files, unit. We can
Okay.
scale routing logics, all these things we will explain about the real time only. Whatever we have,
Okay.
I mean, in my experience, whatever the domains I have faced it, if we can see that this is a common, this thing we have only design as per our experience. So if you can see this diagram, right, we have an
Okay.
architectural diagram. Here we need to register the COVID test patient details from the client, which will receive from client, right? As a, we can say healthcare industry. After that, based on the particular national ID, I mean, if customer is a foreigner or normal Indian, based on that, we need to get
Okay.
the ID and all these things. Yeah, I will explain in the course level. So it's kind of a normal outline.
Okay. So after our
Yeah.
training, so we can do any like major project like that, like
Yes, yes. Any projects, the
industry
integration
project.
will be correct. Any project, the integration components will be same. If you have an error
Mhm.
handling, it will be same. Routing logic, same. Parallel, you need to forward the data, scatter together, it will be same. Deployment, same. Means will be same. Only the changes will be 10% of coding that is in the data view. That next we will explain you. It's kind of a piece of code only. No need to worry on that. I'll explain the techniques as well. Yeah. So the course duration will be 30 to 35 days. Regarding the fee details and all these things, Subbu sir will explain. And not only this training, after that resume preparation, or if you want any kind of support further, it may be in job, or it may be on any working anything, we will provide you. No need to worry on that. So here our main motive is to sustainability, not for cracking the job. If you want to crack the job, to be frank, 1 week is enough. But your main motive is once you deployed in any of the organization, right? You should be do your work individually. You should not depend upon the others. So that is our main motive. So keeping these things in mind, we have designed this structure. Okay. So just I will take a pause here.
So,
Any doubts on
so
this
if you
one?
can send the code share to the mail, it could be better to
Yeah,
put the
definitely,
code.
definitely. You can just give your email ID and the contact number Subbu sir. Okay. I will connect with him and we will share the course contents along with the diagram. You all
Okay.
just go through it. Okay. After the based on your feasible time, we can plan the course and we can start our journey.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, uh, what about others? Rahman Jahan, Steel, Santoshi, Kumar, Mayur.
Yeah.
I need,
Mark, so continue, please.
okay, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Jahan, you can
actually,
start.
yeah, yeah. Could you tell me how is the market current situation for Mulesoft and
Yeah.
packages? What are the packages currently they're offering?
Yeah. To be honest, the market is very good currently, but previous 3 to 4 months, the market is very low due to some products in the US market. Okay. So coming to the packages, if we have 5 years of experience, not only in MuleSoft, overall IT industry relevant to Mule around 3 to 2 to 3, you will get 9 to 10 lakh package. If you are 5 plus to 7 in between, you will get about 14 to 15. Any doubts, John?
No, it is clear. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. What about Radha?
Actually, what I'm saying is that I have already experienced TIPCO, but I need to show that I have already worked in Mixer also for at least 2 years. So, can you give me some company name and certification? Uh,
Yeah.
that
So
much important.
certification. Yeah, I got it. You want to support in the certifications? I didn't get you on that. Could you please come in? Sorry.
I want to say certificate is okay. You may say giving me support for this certification, but what about the experience? I need to show at least years of experience in Mulesoft.
Yes. So you want the experience in the sense? I didn't get you. I mean, you want to learn the
Experience.
things.
I need to show in my resume. I want to show that I am years experience in Mulesoft.
Yes, we will provide the resume preparation, Rahman. No need to worry on that. So currently you are having a years of experience, let's say, but you want to keep the Mulesoft as an 5 years of experience or 3 years of experience, right? So while
Yeah.
preparing the resume, we will provide the project and all these things. Okay, just you need to keep the project. We will explain you what exactly you need to see. But my
Okay.
suggestion is whenever you're done with the course in between the journey, right, definitely for each and every concept, we will relate the real time only. So while complete the course, easily you can be in a content to crack the job.
Okay.
Yeah.
And from my side, I have one more question.
Yeah, sure.
Actually, basically in every project there is testing team, right?
Yes.
In a Mulesoft, we are building the developing the APIs. Then we are testing and deployment. We are doing testing and deployment also. So, what are the chances the other testing team will be involved in Mulesoft? And, is there any relatable to both of
Yeah, I mean,
testing
we
teams?
have separate, yes, we have a separate testing team. So as Mills developer, it's kind of basic testing we need to whether the application is running or not. After that, we need to hand over to the testing team. They will provide the different type of testing, like we have a by sending some invalid data, or whether it may be on security reasons, or it may be on media type. I mean, of one part of data they are expecting or sending some other data. These things will be taken care by the testing team only.
Okay.
Yeah, so hope everything is fine. So we can wind up the session. Just share your mail address to Subbu sir. Yeah, please.
I have one
One code is developed, we will deploy sorry, right? It's but we have admin. So for new like that only we have our cloud we are deploying.
Yeah, we have a three types of deployments: cloud, on-prem, and runtime fabric. Based on client requirement, we can able to choose the environment that they will decide while giving the requirement.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have one
Yes,
question
Mark, you are asking something? Yes, please.
for you here. So like
Yeah,
I
yes,
already
sorry, my.
I have cleared MCD1 and I have
Mhm.
like basic understanding of Vue. But there is like a gap like right now I'm a BW developer, I'm a and designer as well. But right, I want like hands-on experience on Vue. So this training will be the only basic training, or we will get some bit of hands-on with experience training, like integration or something.
No,
So
it's completely. Yeah, we are completely targeting the experienced persons only. If the basic, I mean, whatever, I mean, I can say freshers also join it, it will be added advantage to them. We are completely targeting to the experienced only. It's not kind of a big course.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah. I
okay.
also same doubt I have, but you cleared it.
Okay, sure.
Uh, like can I have word once with you like long after having a word with Subbu also.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. So please inform Sue regarding the time for all these things. So we'll, I mean, we will plan the batch accordingly. But I'm sure I can say it's not kind of a basic course. It's kind of a experience only. Okay, everything we will explain in the real time scenario.
Yeah,
And
so,
sorry. Yes.
Yeah,
actually, the classes are all the classes are only online or offline also available.
online only. Yeah.
The overall duration period will be 2 months, right?
Yeah, no, not like that. 30 to 35 days.
30 to 30. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this training, you will be covered along with Git and LinkedIn, right?
Jenkins we cannot cover it, but thing is that I can show how exact, because Jenkins all these conversations we taken care with the DevOps team. Just we need to build some parameters when we want to deploy the application, and I can show you on that. Yeah.
Could you please open the Naukri.com and you will show the job description so that we can understand clearly what are the points actually currently required in market?
So as for the demo, right, I cannot show this Naukri things. So once we are okay, then I can show that. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So I'm winding up the session. Thank you so much.